Gap Farm today, and these are the future doctors of India. The future medical profession of India. Look at these guys. They're all there. One more year, take the exam, and they go back to India. Like, share, subscribe. Take care. And that's what I'm here for, to swim, to get a little bit of sun on my body, to get a little bit of sun on my chest. We don't talk about Annie's chest, do we? Join us on my vlog today at Gap Farm Resort. The resort is nice, but be warned, the review on the food is not good. Okay?
Terrible for Filipinos.
Take care. Here we go. So today we've come to Gap Farm. Annie's here.
Food are shite.
Did you get that from Annie? Yeah, did you get that from Annie? So I ordered some fries. They arrived maybe 15-20 minutes ago. Okay.
Just the fries and chicken.
Look at that. Filipino fry. It's like the ends. I ordered some chicken. So this is my chicken. 2 Coke Zero, which is my obligatory fluid for the day. Annie ordered rice, which came 25 minutes ago, so it's cold. She's got the buko. Would you like to drink some buko, darling? Because I think that looks very, very nice when you drink the buko. It's about the only thing that's any good out of the lunch here. Yeah, there we go. So that's Annie. So the buko is bigger than Annie's head. No, I don't understand that. And Annie's ordered some tuna soup. Here it is.
But I don't understand.
What is it called, darling?
It's the tuna's jaw.
So this is the tuna jaw soup.
But the soup doesn't taste like the soup, though.
It has no vegetables in it. It's all full of bones.
Thank you.
And it's green. I've just tasted it, and
Let's try this one.
not a fan of it, shall we say?
Doesn't taste like any soup as well.
So the last time I came to Gap Farm, I enjoyed it. I thought it was really, really nice. I come back to go swimming with Annie. Guys, the pool is nice. The rest of it, forget it. Bring your own food from KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, Pidox, Jolly, whatever. But don't get the food from here. It's Annie will eat anything.
I'll just eat because it's sayang.
And she's struggling to eat this food that it's like pond water. It's got no vegetables in it. So anyway, I'm being derogatory, and I don't like being derogatory about food because people are having a hard time. We were at order number 5. And they go 30 minutes. So just add another 30 to it. And there's a restaurant up here which has got the people in it. It's got one person taking the order, doing the cash, and then one young lady doing the deliveries. And that's it. And they're too busy, and it's lockdown, and it's Heroes Day. There are so many people that are looking for work. Gap Farm, you should employ more people in your restaurant and definitely get a better chef. Oh, look.
Go hard.
Go hard. Where is your friend gone? She's over here. So this is the swimming pool. Multicultural, multilingual, multi-everything. Let's have a walk. It's a nice afternoon. I can feel I caught the sun. My face is getting burned. Nice fountain area. You can sit all the way up here, but I think there's loads of mosquitoes up here, so I would actually get burned. Look at how they've made that out of concrete. I think it would be very, very slippery if I tried walking up there, so I'm not going there. Got a little seating area where it's spraying you, keeping you cool. You can, this is for children, so you can keep an eye on the children. CRs here, change your room. They've got this funny bamboo here, where it's red at the top. I don't understand what type of bamboo it is, but looks really, really good. Looks interesting, should we say. Mexico. So these are Annie's new friends. We've just been talking English. Maybe.
What is your YouTube channel? Hi.
My YouTube channel. So, we're here at Nana Bemming's. Really, really nice reason is the food they serve here is exceptional. This is the kangkong without the garlic or the spices. This is the barbecue chicken. Oh, look at that. Glazed, lovely. Marinated, lovely, with the lime. This is the chop suey. So the chop suey has big shrimps inside the chop suey. And it's served on a plate like this. This is the tuna fish soup that Annie has. Remember what I said to you about Annie? She'll order soup and it'll be the size of her head. 2 rice. We can only get through 1 rice because there is so much. Annie has her tea. And there is the tuna fish. Now we had tuna fish today and it wasn't nice. So Annie didn't go anywhere near it. So what's your food like, Annie? What's your food like?
This one is a very good one.
There we go.
I like how it tastes now.
Normally you would get okay from Annie, but she likes this. So join us today, guys. We're having tuna fish, chop suey, barbecue chicken, kangkong, soy, rice, and we are the only ones in Nana Bemming.
Oh, but this soup is better than what we had earlier. Way better.
Like,
Because the taste
share,
of the soup
subscribe,
is still there.
take care.